Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Types of the DNA polymerase. So first one is the prokaryotic enzyme. Example 1, the E. coli, it is 1. What happens in 1? It is a gap filling following the DNA replication. So gap filling following DNA replication, and the repair and recombination. Next is 2. 2 is nothing but DNA proofreading and repair. DNA proofreading and repair. Then comes we move on to the beta, eukaryotic enzyme beta. So what happens in the eukaryotic enzyme beta? So here there is DNA repair. Then what about gamma? Gamma, it causes the mitochondrial DNA synthesis. Then comes 3. So here in 3 it is epsilon. Epsilon is nothing but a processive leading strand synthesis. Next we move on to the DNA G and alpha. So what is happening here? Here it is the function being the primase, and then comes the delta. Delta is nothing but the processive lagging strand synthesis. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.